So this isn't an entire video either. I'm literally showing you something stupid that I realized. And it involves me turning off the wonderful ladies of NPR. On the CB350, I was missing the starter button, which is very nice because they sell ones that have the little tech logo on it, so you know which way to put it. And the spring goes on it, but the moron ahead of me, who must have taken this off, proceeded to drop shit all over the floor, removed the stay from the starter button, because there is a little insulator here for this wire, and the insulator is supposed to hold down, and the stay holds down the insulator, which has a little dot on that. There's a rod at the end of this, which makes contact with the spring, and then the spring is connected to the stay, or to the case. So the stay can connect to the spring, and then when the shaft connects, it goes boop to this. That connects this, the yellow and red wire, to the ground and connects the circuit. So now, when you turn it on and you hit the little button, that's what does it. Not any major magical mumbo jumbo, and I didn't realize that the 350 went through the bars, which is freaking amazing. And now I'm pissed because somebody took off the bars that were on the 450, and it probably had this really awesome setup where you can totally lose and hide all these wires. I didn't even look at that and think about it. Freaking genius. Well, at least I fixed it. And I don't remember if I made a video for the gasket that I put on there. Buy the gaskets that are shaped. Such a better idea. Tonight has been a conundrum.